Hello everyone. Very interesting and easy way to understanding the topic, that is gametogenesis. Today I have brought this video for you understanding the gametogenesis. So what is gametogenesis and how we will remember the gametogenesis? Actually, gametogenesis I can write one form oogenesis, and another side students I can write here spermatogenesis. Okay, and the meaning of gametogenesis, the genesis means formation, gamete means male gamete sperm and female gamete ova. Okay everybody, so very easy I am going to explain this oogenesis, spermatogenesis as well as gametogenesis. If you are remembering the formula of gametogenesis, here I have written the formula of gametogenesis, then you can solve the spermatogenesis as well as oogenesis. Let's see what I have written. Germ cell 2n number. You know gamete formation start in gonad, and gonad is testis and another one is ovary. In that gamete formation start. So in this germ layer are present that help in formation of gamete. Okay, that germ layer are present in diploid form. Diploid means 2n form. Why 2n form? You know 6 chromosome in human body are 46 and it can be written in 23 pairs. So 23 pair means 2n. Okay, this is the concept. So 2n number of chromosome are present in the germ cell. So this germ cell start division. So gametogenesis, oogenesis or spermatogenesis start with multiplication division. What is multiplication division? So this first phase is multiplication phase where mitosis division start. Mitosis division is a process where 2n number of chromosome multiply itself. It is not reduce its number. That's why it is called as multiplication phase. You can see 2n, again 2 gametes are producing 2n, again from here 2n. So this step it will continue before puberty, before 12-year age, okay, in boys or even in girl, for in concept of oogenesis. Okay, so 2n, that is called as multiplication phase. After this germ cell it enter into another second phase, that is called as growth phase. So what is growth phase? Growth phase, at the age of 12 or before 12, the body required several nutrients, protein for the growth of sperm, growth of ova or growth of gamete. That is called as growth phase, where the size of gamete or germ cell increase in the size. Be careful, okay. And here you can tell primary gametocyte. Here I have written gametocyte. Cyte means cell. I have written several times in my many videos. Okay, gametocyte. So here you can write gametocyte for female, oocyte. Okay, primary oocyte. And for here sperm you can write spermatocyte. Okay everybody, so it is very easy. Primary spermatocyte, primary oocyte or primary gametocyte. This primary gametocyte, when it is forming? During the growth phase. Be careful. Okay, then 2n number of chromosome is becoming half, means 23 number chromosome are here coming. Here already it is 46 in number. So 23 and 23. Now it become haploid phase. I am giving the term haploid phase. Here it was in form of diploid phase and now it become haploid phase. So haploid phase means again one division occurs here, that is called as meiosis division. It means you can get one conclusion: during the gametogenesis we are facing multiplication phase, growth phase. Another side, what are division? Mitosis division and meiosis division. During the mitosis division 2n number of chromosome is not reducing, but here during the meiosis 2n number of chromosome is reducing into n and n. Again this n and n will continue up to several time. Okay, that is meiosis phase, and it phase is called as maturation phase. So here I have written maturation phase. So you can write in your notes or in your exam gametogenesis, oogenesis or spermatogenesis complete these three phase and two types of division. So after this primary gametocyte convert into secondary gametocyte. For secondary gametocyte you can write secondary spermatocyte, secondary oocyte, whereas again this n number of chromosome again get reduced and form one name that is called as gametotide. So what you can write for the male? You can write for the male spermatotide. What you can write for the female? Oocyte. Okay everybody. Then similarly here last it for gamete, means gametotide then convert into gamete, and for male you can tell this one sperm is a gamete, and for female you can tell ova is a gamete. So these are the step and the formula for understanding the process gametogenesis in human body. Okay students, see this video and subscribe my channel.